The Colorado River flows 1,450 miles from Colorado's Rocky Mountain National Park all the way down to the Gulf of California in Mexico. The maximum flow of the Colorado River is close to 400,000 cubic feet per second. That is about 3 million gallons of water per second. Wow, that's a lot of water. Think of the strength and power of that much water flowing every second. Is anything in that path safe? The Colorado River starts out as a calm, pristine, and pure stream, high in the northern Colorado Rockies. There are over 25 significant tributary streams that add water to the Colorado and impact the flow and strength of the river. Combine that with annual snowmelt, rain, and water diversion for irrigation and power. It is evident that the mighty Colorado River has many external factors that influences its flow and power. The Colorado River is a good analogy for human behaviors. When we are born, we have very limited but pure behaviors. Over time, these behaviors are influenced by countless external influences from parents, siblings, friends, teachers, coaches, media, and more. We hang on to some of these influences and release others. These influences accumulate and form the way we behave and who we become. The challenge is having the awareness to know what has influenced your behaviors in the past, what is currently influencing your behaviors, and what will influence your behaviors in the future. The water flow in the Colorado River is diminishing over time based on several external influences, some of which are from decisions by people and others are environmentally based. All of these external influences have impacts, and many of them have unintended consequences that aren't noticeable for years. Again, this is like human behaviors. How we behave and the habits we developed are influenced by many external factors, which take hold over time and may not be recognized until adulthood. They also have positive and negative impacts. If it is necessary to change the direction of the Colorado River, wouldn't it be best done at the early stages of the river or the headwaters, when water flow and momentum is mild, and then restrict the external impacts to the river? In life, it is best to change direction early and reduce negative external influences before lifelong habits are formed. Bad habits start out as temporary diversions from something we really want. Seldom do people commit to smoking their entire life when they have their first cigarette. Nor does anyone seek to develop diabetes from eating processed and fast food. However, when people are influenced by millions of dollars of advertising focused on getting them to eat unhealthy foods, or when friends tell them to try smoking just once, they are not thinking about the long-term impacts to their personal well-being. Knowing what you are pursuing in life will enable you to make choices and develop habits that are consistent with where you want to go. The best time to avoid bad habits is to refrain from making the decisions to take part in the development of those habits from the start. Just as it is much easier to divert the direction of a river at the headwaters, it is the easiest to alter behaviors before they become addictions or habits.